Good morning, welcome to Satterwhite Log Homes. I'm Blake Linton here with Josh Thomas. And today is a special
A special day.
well, a special edition, I guess you would say. A special edition. We're talking about our second quality materials. As you can see here, we've got a bundle of 6x6 D-log seconds. We've got some 1 inch and a quarter by 8 decking seconds. Josh, you want to tell them about what we're doing here?
Yeah, so basically, guys, this is all material that we manufacture. So it's our dead standing spruce. We go through great lengths to keep it nice. But obviously, as we produce this material at our sawmill in Utah and here in Texas, some of the products that are going to come off the line are not going to meet the specifications required to what are considered first quality.
Exactly.
They'll either be bowed, the checks might be too big, they could have cracks that don't on the end that don't meet requirements, but we still accumulate those and they're available for sale at a deeply discounted rate.
Yeah, I'd say close to half price. And we want to be clear, you know, there's going to be stuff wrong with most of these boards in here. You know, some of this is water damage, some of this has been left out in the weather. That's not to say that you can't cut that bad part out and then use the remainder of the board.
Yeah, and that's what me and you were talking about before the video. You know, we've been selling this stuff for, you know, however long we've been here, 15, 20 years. And some folks who are on a budget, if they're trying to do like a well house or a
barn,
yeah,
you know, sheds or outbuildings.
Yeah, anything like that.
And these are perfect for that. As you can see, these 6x6 logs, I'd say this bundle has some water markings on it. Some of the logs have checks and cracks that don't meet our specifications, but
I mean, if you're getting them for half price,
right? I mean, it's
close to.
It's a no-brainer. And
yeah,
we have plenty of this material in stock. We've got 6x6 D logs. We have some 6x8 D logs. I know we have a lot of decking products.
Siding.
Yep, siding, stuff like that. I mean, we want you to come by, take a look at what we got, and we really want to move this stuff.
It's available here in Texas. We have availability in Utah, and I think we probably would have some availability in Georgia. The thing about seconds is it's kind of like you said, it's based on availability. It's based on what we have at the time. So you can't order seconds,
right,
but you can call and see what we have. Some people will get a little as they go and just try to make, you know, their projects like that. There are no returns on seconds. You get what you get. You can't cherry pick it, so we can't go through and just get a couple boards at a time, or you can get a couple boards at a time, but you're not going to be able to pick the ones that you want out of the seconds bin. Seconds are seconds, and we'll sell them that way. So I would always recommend that you get extra of what you need, but knowing that your still price is going to be substantially lower.
Absolutely. I mean, good point. Yeah, like you said, for sheds and outbuildings and things like that, this is the perfect product. Like we said, half price. Come get them while we got them.
And you'll notice here that we still go to great lengths to keep them nice.
Yeah.
You know, yes, they are seconds, but they're still wrapped up. They've been bundled up. So we try to take care of them. They're not going to be perfect. If you come in thinking that they're going to be a premium product, you're going to be disappointed.
Yeah, absolutely.
But if you take into consideration, like we said, the price that you pay for what you get, I think there's still a ton of value in this.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys, for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.